gon' ride for you? Who gon' die for you? Who gon' cry for you?
I don't know you, so go ahead. What happened? Bitch said she was born on the end. Oh, hold on. I believe you. What you gonna do?
I feel sick today.
Don't add me on no Snapchat. I ain't gonna add you back here. Shit. See you there.
Oh my god!
Kick your
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You must not know, nigga. I'm always on YouTube. I'm always on Instagram. I know that was a prank, okay? One thing you did was lay on water like this and act like you seized on me. I'm not slow. Hey, how you doing, white people? Look like a black damn sand from Leaf Village, mom.
Oh my god!
Alright, let me do a prank. You stay there.
This is bad.
Hello, you're not on the phone.
Let me see.
Come at the box. Where you going?
Hold on.
Huh?
Hi. What?
Oh, I thought y'all was laughing.
No.
You got who from Georgia?
He said you're on the
Oh yeah, child. That man, you ain't heard nothing yet. Man. That just was a little tester right there. You ain't heard nothing yet. That man get better and better every Sunday. I'm telling you, that man.
Bitch, stop hitting me.
You
Got what?
Got milk.
I'm telling you, yeah. He worked getting out to bed in the morning. Don't fucking sneeze on me. Shit, get your ass off my over here. Get now, hell. Get. Scoot. Get your ass out of here.
Okay. I need some medicine.
You better get your ass out of here and go find some fucking medicine somewhere else. I'm not fucking playing with you. Huh? I know. You know what? You keep on. Y'all not fucking playing.